STEM challenge. We're going to design ships for heavy seas, both physically and in the simulator that Fleet provides. We're going to investigate scientific phenomenon using hands-on science. We're going to use our engineering design process both for physical ships and while playing the Fleet simulator to design successful missions in the search and rescue problem. We're going to change the weather to storm and work together in teams. It's going to require some more creativity than we use in the sunny weather because it's going to change the requirements for it. So let's talk about Fleet real quick. When you log into Fleet, you're going to go ahead and choose Mission Headquarters. Search and Rescue is the mission. Design your boat so it meets all the requirements, and then choose the Search and Rescue mission, change the environment to storm, and then you can hit play. You'll see that it's dark. We're going to need our radar, which is in the bottom left corner. We'll have directions in the upper left. And then it's off to search and rescue in heavy seas.